Charlie, do you think expectations on China trade are sort of priced into the market at the moment?
Yeah, it depends on what day you ask me that. I mean, I think the good news is it's really going to be good news. We're staring at 25% tariffs. If we get any deal at all, those tariffs are going to come down, and we're going to have more free trade than we would have had in a fight. And so, sure, we may not get everything we want out of this deal, but we are going to get a lot better situation than people had feared as recently as a week and a half ago. I mean, Mike and I tend to see the world differently. He tends to see it half empty, and I tend to see it half full. And I think any agreement is better than no agreement, and it's going to be positive for industrials.
Is that fair?
I don't know. I'm accused all day of being a permabull, so I'm not sure if I see it half empty. I just don't think that the trade deal is necessarily the most signature, influential thing that we're going to be talking about at the end of this year. It's not going to be, hey, we got a trade deal in the first quarter. That changed everything.
Is it going to be earnings, Mike?
Well, earnings are going to be in there in the backdrop. And is it just a kind of stutter step in earnings growth, or is it going to be kind of a rolling over of the cycle?
That could go a long way to restoring economic growth in places like Germany or China, major trading.
Exactly,
economies.
and those are exactly the markets you'd want to own. If that's the way we're going to go.
Charlie, in terms of the earnings outlook for the rest of the year, what's your view there?
Well, people have been talking about an earnings recession. And that, in my opinion, was never likely to happen, but it's a lot less likely to happen if we get a trade deal. It doesn't just help Germany and European countries. There's a lot of U.S. companies that do a lot of business with China as well. A lot of U.S. companies import parts from China, and they were seeing significant supply inflation because of the risk of a 25% tariff. So any deal is going to be good news. It is the one major overhang that really could have done real damage. And if it goes away, we're going to be in a lot better shape.